Welcome back to my channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create this trending baby dancing, baby singing kind of videos using Hello AI. Now, Hello AI is one of the amazing platforms that allows you to create videos from static images and then also create images and even convert images into video. Now, Hello AI is actually updating and even having every modding tool that you need in order to create this engaging and then entertaining AI videos. Now, I want to focus on this particular section of their platform where they have trending. You can see here they have trending, they have arts, horror. Now, basically what this does is that it allows you to use existing template to create your own video. Now, before that, I want you to watch this video. Okay, so you can see this is a very entertaining video, and then you can actually use this existing template to create your own video. Now, if you want to generate and use your own image, you can use any image generating platform. Over here, I'm going to use Wix, and Wix allows me to generate images for free. So I basically generated an image over here of a baby, and if you can see, I'm able to create this version for myself using my own image that I generated using Wix. So if I play this video, you can see I basically have the same thing. So basically that is what we'll be doing. So that's what we're going to do in this video tutorial. So what we're going to do is that we can use a template, existing template, to create our own video. If you come here, there are other amazing stuff you can watch. So this is a face dance. You can generate your own image and you can use this template. So you can see over here, if you want to do this, you can just go to use template and then you can create your own version. So we are basically going to do something like this. And then I want to show you the last one before we do our own version of this video. So this is another one I want us to see. So this one, for instance, you can see the baby dancing in the middle of the road. So you can see the baby dancing in the middle of the road, and then there are other amazing ones that we can easily copy. We can just use the same template and then create our own version. If you want to use Hello AI, I'm going to leave the link at the description of this video, so you can just click and follow. And then there are a lot of templates here. If I scroll down, you can see there are a lot of templates over here. This particular one is also very entertaining, the cat. So you can see the cat over here. We can actually create any video at all. So this is the cat version. So you can actually generate image of a cat and then create your own version of this. And this kind of short form of videos are trending a lot. If you go on YouTube and you go on TikTok and other platform, you can actually use this method to create your own version of the video. So what we want to do is that I want us to create this and I want to show you basically what we're going to do. Before you create this video, just click on this and open it. We're going to use the same we're going to use the same template. So in order to create this video, we need to actually go and use the use template option over here. But before that, you need to make sure you generate your own images. If you want to use Wix, I'm actually going to leave the links at the description of this video. And now you need to actually indicate the resolution of your image. So this one is going to be mobile version. So use this option 9:16. So make sure you select that, and then you can just type here whatever image you want to generate. So I say generate an image of a cute baby. So I can just say a cute baby girl. So whatever you want to generate, if it's going to be an adult you want to use, you can just do that and then generate your image. So as you can see, I have my image ready. You can download this. So this is my image. My image is ready. So I can download this image and then I will use it for our video. Now I have downloaded this image. I'll come back here and then click on use template. Now here, what we're going to do is that we're actually going to click on image here and then add our image. So after attaching your image, you can just click here You will need some credit in order to do that. So I'm just going to click here and then upload this image. It's going to take some time to process this. Just allow this to go through the process and then everything will be completed for you to see. So you can see it's still processing our image, and then the steps that is going to be followed actually has been outlined over here. So you just need to take your time and this will be processed and you should get the same video with your image you actually uploaded. So the process is still ongoing. It's going to take some time. Just allow yourself some few minutes and this video should be ready. So as you can see, this image already transformed the baby hand into what we saw in the video, the original video. So now this image has been transformed and now it's going to process this into our video for us. As you can see, our video is ready with the image we actually used. We're going to play this video and see how it's going to look like, and then we can compare this to the original. So just take a critical look at the image. It's actually the image we generated. This was the image, and then we've been able to create our own version of the video, and then it's basically the same as the video you actually watched from the beginning. You can use this method to actually create similar video, the dancing video, another method. Just generate your own image, go to Hello AI platform, and then you should be able to create something like this. And remember, you can actually download the video and then use it on your platforms where you want to actually share them. Thank you so much for watching this video tutorial. Remember to subscribe and don't forget to turn on post notification. Till I come your way again. Bye bye.